Welcome to Unit 8, Section 1, Lesson 1, Video 2, Sketching Views of Objects. In this video, we're going to continue with what we learned in the previous video, and we're going to do a couple of examples where we sketch the four views of a three-dimensional object. Example 1, sketch the four views of the following object on dot paper. Once again, if you have blocks available, try building the object first, and you may find this helpful as we work through these examples. The front view of this object would look like this. It's 3 blocks wide and 3 blocks high. Notice that the blocks in the middle of the bottom row stick out further than the other blocks, so we need to indicate that there is a change in depth. To do that, we need to make sure we draw lines here, here, and here. Next, we'll do the right side view. The right view would look like this. Notice that we need to indicate that the bottom right corner is a different depth, so we draw a line here and here. We want to make sure that the right side view is exactly 1 block away from the front view, so we draw 1 block to the right, and we connect all corners using dotted lines to show how the two views line up. Next, the left view. The left side view is 3 blocks wide and 3 blocks high as well. The bottom left corner of the left side view is a different depth, so we need to draw a line here and here. We make sure that the left side view is exactly 1 block to the left of the front view, and we connect all corners using dotted lines. Finally, we'll draw the top view. The top view is 3 blocks wide and 3 blocks high. It would look like this. In the top view, we have 1 block that is a different depth than the rest, so we need to draw a line here, and here, and here to indicate the change in depth. We make sure that the top view is exactly 1 block higher than the front view, and we connect all corners using dotted lines to show how all the views line up. Example 2. Sketch the four views of the following object. This is the front view. The front view would look like this. Notice that the block at the top of the front view is a different depth than the rest of the blocks, so we need to draw a line here to indicate the change in depth. The right view would look like this. The bottom 2 blocks are a different depth, so we draw 1 line in here. If we look at the distance between the two views, it looks like they're 2 blocks apart instead of 1. However, if we look at the left edge of the right side view, and if we look at the right edge of the front view, we can see that in fact, these two edges are exactly 1 block apart. So we have drawn the right side correctly. The left view would look like this. We need to draw a line here to indicate a change in depth, and we make sure that the left side view is exactly 1 block to the left of the front view. Finally, the top view would look like this. We would need to draw 1 line here to indicate a change in depth, and we make sure that the top view is exactly 1 block above the front view. As always, we make sure we connect all corners using dotted lines to show how all four views line up. Please proceed to the activities for Lesson 1.